Durka, motherfucker. Uh. I'm in the Sudan, riding in the Sudan. I'm in the Afghan, looking for some Afghans. Them girls make their toes curl, make their whole body go around the fucking world with a whirl. From my dick, it's like a potion. Snake charmer, the ocean. I'm floating across the Mediterranean, the ocean. I'm floating. Already said that, but I fucking meant it. You wanna step up? Hell, you'll be scented. Sentence for fucking life. My rhyming is on time, so fucking strife with my wife. I got 17 of them in the Middle East, and I can't glove them with a closed fist. Fuck that open palm shit, hit them with the quickness. Oh no, body get lifted up to Mecca. I'm gonna wreck ya. Guess what? I'm the health inspector of the Denny's. Yo, rockin' pennies. Rockin' pennies, I'm sipping on that handy. Do you wanna fuck with me and my cholo named Bendy? Oh, wicca, 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 with the wife, with the wife. A wicca, 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 oh fucking knife. Guess what they call me, Mr. Michael Tice. Like Larry Bird, guess what? I am the real fucking word. Oh no, pole of a swerve. Guess what? You just ran over a fucking bird. Looks like a squished turd now, doesn't it? Your girlfriend loves it, yes, doesn't it? Piss you off the way your bitch gets lotion cucumber.